So what's up, people? How's it going? My name is Alex, and yeah, I'm with the cap again. I'm sorry for that, but I mean, I can't really get used to my hair, and really just can't wait until it grows back. But it will. I mean, I'm definitely sure about it. And I know for 100% that it'll grow back. But right now, please, I know that looks so bad. Okay, let's make it that way. Yeah, that is much more better, right? Let's keep it that way, please, because I mean, I can't just. So my name is Alex, by the way, and today I'm gonna be trading again. I'm having $200 in my balance today, and I'm using pocket option. I guess I've never mentioned that in any of the videos, but it is obvious because during the video you can see the name of the platform in the top left of the corner, so which is quite obvious. So yeah, I'm having the Telegram VIP group. The link is gonna be below in the description, so do not forget to join there, which is absolutely full free. Just go in there, all right? Getting all the information that you need to, and here you go. You know how to trade, you know how to set up the indicators, which are going to be helping you, you know, in terms of just getting the profit from the pocket option. So, do not forget to leave a like, and of course, do not forget, I don't know how to use it. And of course, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. And oh my god, let's go, let's start. Okay, let's start with 150 and let's go for long. So you can see that right now price is in a steady uptrend, now at the uptrend edge of the Ketner channel. And in the meantime, Super Trend and the Williams both, they give me long signal. I'm going for long, even though in this current situation it looks like that I'm losing, but I mean, the candle is not static, so it's gonna be using not using but moving, I wanted to say. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. Is it too late now to say? Honestly, I don't want to I can't speak. I don't want to lose it, but apparently we have 15 seconds, and hopefully we just coming back. Keep it like that. Great. Thank you for not letting me down. Very much appreciated. Very much. Okay. Moving next. Great British pounds at Australian dollars. Let's max, just going all in. To be honest, I want to go long, because you can see the strong confirmation after breaking the Don't Change channel midline. We have just received, and you can see it in your screen as well. At the same time, Super Trend is supposed long. It just jumped, and I expect the price to reach the channel's top. But we got our profit here, but that was quite risky. I got scared, to be honest. Okay, Euro and United States dollars, I would say. I'm gonna play like 500 right here. I'm playing big today. Yeah, and I'm going short. I mean, if you take a look at the Williams R and at the Super Trend, and if you know what I'm talking about, if you understand the indicators, the language of the indicators, then you will see that, you will understand that both of them, they giving us sell signal, and the midline of the Don't Change has already been, not the Don't Change, I'm sorry, of the Ketner has already been broken as well. Great decision. Great profit right there. We have already $1,100. In the beginning of the video, I had only $200. Hopefully, I'm having $2,000, to be honest. Wow. Yeah, I mean, okay. Going for long. Okay, yeah. Let's play 1,000. Going for long. So I believe everything is obvious, to be honest, but anyway, I'll try to clarify the whole decision and the whole situation right here, right now. So I expect a breakout above the both midline channel and the super trend line, and we have already got that almost. Williams R still has some room for up movement. That's the second thing. And the third thing, if you take a look at the previous candles, you can see that they are having long heads and the long tails. It means what? The volatility is really great. Sellers and the buyers, there are a lot of them in the market, which is quite good for us. I mean, I'm not complaining about it. Look at it. Look how fast it grows. Great. You remember me saying I wish I have $2,000. Now I have almost $3,000, to be honest. So, genius right there, guys. You just do not appreciate. Okay, not changing it. Playing with 1,000 again. Going for short. We are not in the oversold zone. We still have some room, to be honest. However, you can see that we are having a strong seller pressure on Australian dollars, and super trend just strictly supports a short scenario. So this is the case where I'm willing to go just for short. Yeah, 30 seconds. In the meantime, guys, I'm reminding you again about my Telegram private group, which is quite important and informative for every trader out there. I don't care if you're beginner, the midline, if you're beginner or just, you know, amateur or you're just professional, I don't really care. You're gonna find anything that you would love to, that you wish to. Just go and check. Everything is for free. The link is gonna be below in the description. In the meantime, I'm getting my win, and I'm having $3,639 almost dollars, which is perfect. Taking into consideration that I made it from only $200, this is quite big figures right there, and I'm really proud of myself. Every time when I'm making this type of money, I'm really proud of myself, and I know that I'm in the right direction. I'm doing everything correct in an accurate way, and I'm able to show what I'm doing to you guys. I'm able to open a Telegram group where I'm showing everything that I'm doing in order to get everything that I'm having right here. And indeed, I'm getting everything that I'm having right here. So do not forget to leave a like and of course subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.